Fujitsu has partnered with a company that is now going to help their contractors offer leasing options to their customers. I haven't seen anything like this in our industry before. There's a lot of companies across the country that are offering other creative ways to their customers, but I want to dive into this in this video. I don't think I've seen where a manufacturer has actually partnered with a company to have their contractors selling their products offer something like this. And I could be wrong, but I just think that this is pretty unique. Across the country, we've seen companies, contractors get creative, and instead of your traditional ways of paying cash check or credit card or providing some sort of financing and they get a loan, we're seeing companies offer some sort of rental agreements, leasing agreements, all kinds of different programs. And so I just think that this is interesting that a actual manufacturer is now partnering with someone to help their contractors offer these options. So I've got this article. I'm going to kind of read through this and we're going to talk about a few points. I'm just curious if you've done this and leased from a company, what your thoughts are on this. If you think it's a good option for a lot of other homeowners, please comment down below. So this article reads, Fujitsu General announces premier program. Fujitsu General America Incorporated has partnered with Service First Financial LLC to offer the premier program to its contractor partners. This partnership allows Fujitsu contractors to provide homeowners with a home comfort as a service leasing option for their residential heating and cooling needs. The Premier program is a service for homeowners to replace and upgrade their heating and cooling equipment for a low monthly payment while eliminating the common pain points associated with owning, maintaining, and repairing such systems. Delivered through a comprehensive, user-friendly platform, the Premier program is supported by on-site sales training. According to Fujitsu, contractors that utilize the Premier program experience improved financial performance from higher close rates, increased average tickets, and profitable recurring revenue. So I'm not sure whether this payment is going to be going to, I'm sure this company has figured out a way that they're going to be profitable, obviously, but when they say that the contractor is going to have profitable recurring revenue, I'm not sure what that means. Maybe the maintenance has something to do with this. I know there are leasing programs out there where the maintenance is included. I think that we dive further into this in this article, I am curious, what are the repercussions if you stop making your payment? Are they going to sue you? Are they going to come and confiscate the system? Some states you can't do that, but it'll be interesting to see how that works. Each Premier program installation also features a long-term maintenance agreement. Oh, so I got ahead of myself here, which can improve customer retention, secure annual cross-sell opportunities, and place the installing contractor first in line with the next replacement sale. Each Premier program installation includes 24/7 priority scheduling, annual preventative maintenance, air filter replacements, and covered emergency repairs while eliminating trip, diagnostic, and overtime fees. So they're not just saying, hey, there's going to be a maintenance program here. They're telling their contractors this is what's going to be included with that. I've never seen that before either. So a lot of maintenance programs that companies offer, so Griffin Air, we offer our VIP club is what we call it, and there are certain perks to that people that they sign up to be a part of our VIP club that they get versus other customers. But I've never seen where a company like this is saying, hey, we're going to offer 24/7 priority scheduling, everything I just mentioned. I think that's interesting. The partnership promotes the shared sustainability goals of Fujitsu and Service First. I wonder, piggybacking off of that, if they're also going to say to the contractor, hey, look, if you're going to be a part of this program, you're going to have to jump through some hoops here too. We're not just going to let anybody be a part of this. If you want to be a part of this program, you need to make sure you cross your T's and dot your I's, so that way you're taking care of these customers signing up for this. The home comfort industry is a significant contributor to carbon emissions worldwide. It's our responsibility to encourage consumers to make planet-friendly purchasing decisions, said, I'm not going to try to pronounce this fella's name, but it says founder and CEO of Service First. Replacing old home comfort systems earlier, making high-efficiency products more financially accessible, and ensuring annual maintenance is performed are key contributors to reducing the industry's carbon footprint. Together, Fujitsu contractors and Premier program can deliver on these critically important goals. Let me back up here in his thing. So he's saying replacing old comfort systems earlier. So maybe if you had a heating and air system that you were going to try to get a few more years out of, they're saying, hey, we've got this program here. It's beneficial to you to, instead of wait another year or two or 3 years, 4 years, whatever, go ahead and sign up and we're going to get you into a new system earlier, is what he's saying. What are your thoughts on that? I do know some homeowners won't like that. They don't want the added pressure. They're going to try to get as much life out of that system as they can. And they're also saying here, making high efficiency products and more financially accessible and ensuring annual maintenance. I think what he's saying there is you might be more likely to go with a high efficiency system. I'm not as familiar with the Fujitsu line. I know they have a partnership with Rheem. I don't know if they're talking about their ductless systems, mini split systems, or if they're talking about their conventional stuff that they're making with Rheem. But either way, he's saying we're going to give you this option. You have this low monthly payment, so you're going to buy a better heating and air system, or at least more efficient one. Ultimately, I think it's interesting that he's coming out and saying some of these things. Good or bad, it's okay to be transparent about some things, even if you are doing it for selfish benefits, as long as it benefits the consumer as well, right? What are your thoughts on this? Again, I've never seen a major HVAC brand sign on with a company to be able to offer a program like this. Maybe other companies have done it, and I've never just seen it advertised this way, where they've said, we've now partnered with this company and all of our premier contractors, or if you're a part of this program, the premier program, you're going to get to offer these deals. If you're an HVAC contractor that sells Fujitsu, let me know what your thoughts are. Please comment down below. I'm very curious what your thoughts are and if you're going to offer this program. And if you do offer this program, I'd love to hear what you think the benefits are as the contractor. Hopefully, if you're going to be doing something like that, you're hoping for more sales and things like that. Obviously, the companies are going to say what they're going to say, make it sound great. We want to hear what it's like for the boots on the ground, if you know what I'm saying. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.